Hey girly girls, and welcome back to Tailor Made Beauty Room. Now today's video has been inspired by several YouTubers who are all sort of like showing off their powder pink collections. So I thought I'd do the same. So without further ado, let's roll right in. Okay, so as you can see, I've got out the majority of my powder pink bags. Now, as you know, I have lots and lots and lots of pink bags. If you look around my beauty room, you will see pink bags simply everywhere. And you'll see pink bags here, you'll see pink bags there, you'll see, well, there's a couple missing there because they're actually on this powder pink video. Even that Chanel bag's kind of a powder pink, but I just didn't have the room for that bag over here. But yeah, as I was saying, I've noticed a lot of people have been going absolutely crazy for the new Coach powder pink collection, and I only have one item from the powder pink collection, and that's this little wristlet here. So it just set me to thinking, well, I'm not going to go out and buy bags just for a video. So I thought to myself, you know what, let me do the best with what I actually already have. And I do actually have bags in this glorious shade of powder pink. I was actually going to do a video on blush pink, because I have blush pink bags, and then I have sort of like I like to call it a candy pink, but I didn't have enough of the candy pink bags. But I did realise that I do have an awful lot of bags in this sort of baby pink, so I thought I'd go through a couple of them, because you don't always see these bags, because I don't always show all of my bags all of the time. So yeah, so let's start off with what actually inspired me. And like I said to you before, a lot of YouTubers were doing videos on the new Coach powder pink collection, and I thought, well, you know what, I've got a gorgeous powder pink wristlet, so let me take this out. I don't know whether this was my very first Coach purchase or whether it was something else, but I do know that I did actually I brought several things. Sorry, it's difficult to hold the camera and also have a take a look to see if I've got anything inside. Oh yes, I do have some items inside, so let's have a look at that. So you'll be familiar with these from a previous video. Let me just grab the stuff and take it out so you can take a look. Gorgeous items. So yeah, as I was saying, I've been really inspired by several people. I think Mom Ambition was the first video I saw on a powder pink collection. I believe Miss Toya had something up. I want to say the Fancy Pink Chick, but I really don't know whether she had a video up on powder pink items. And there was somebody I wasn't actually familiar with who I've just seen. I'll try and pop a name on the screen if I remember to do so, or if I can find her video. But would you take a look at that? This goes absolutely gorgeous with the powder pink. You'll be familiar with these items. They featured in a video that I did recently. But yeah, let's get back onto the powder pink. As I was saying, I absolutely love this colour, and I was really surprised that I had so many bags of such a similar hue. So it was really nice to get them all out and take a look. So right next to this Coach wristlet here, I have this gorgeous Ted Baker even makeup bag, and it's simply gorgeous. Look at that. It's this kind of glossy. Oh, I've got items inside too. So let's take those items out. I think, to be fair, I did pack these bags earlier deliberately with powder pink items. Would you take a look at that? Is there anything else in there? Yeah, let's put that there, my glow recipe. So as you can see, I have my gorgeous powder pink Ted Baker bag. And to be honest, I can't remember the last time that I took her out with me, but because I do have a lot of makeup bags. If you're interested in my makeup bags, I do have a video, so I'll link that somewhere. But yeah, so let me take a look at another powder pink item that I think is gorgeous. Would you take a look at this gorgeous bag? You'll be familiar with this bag. I did purchase this bag from Amazon. Absolutely gorgeous. The little charm that comes with it, I can't remember. Ah, yes, I got that charm from eBay, but would you take a look at this bag? Look at it. Look at the quality of this bag. She is just so stinking cute. It is unbelievable. Yeah, I absolutely adore this bag. So let me move this bag forward. Let's take a look at this classy lady at the back. Absolutely gorgeous. So soft. This bag is actually stuffed. I've got plastic in this bag to help this bag keep its shape. But oh my goodness, isn't she gorgeous? Simply gorgeous. And then of course I have another makeup bag or vanity case, if that's what you would want to call it. I think she's stunning. Look at the back. Absolutely gorgeous. I love how she's quite sturdy as well. So back here, just one more look at my Coach wristlet. I think she's so cute, but I need to pop her out of the way because I do have a little card holder here. Now this card holder came with my, now what bag was it? I got a bag, it's a Louis Vuitton bag, and I got the bag, I got this card holder, and I think I got something else. I think I got like a little receipt holder. I know that the bag came with several things anyway, and I just put, you know, put them all together. But isn't she cute? That is something that you can just throw in your bag with all of your cards in it if you don't want to take a big wallet. And I just think it's just so cute because it does come as an insert with the bag. I really cannot believe I can't remember the name of that bag. If I remember it, I'll pop it up onto the screen up. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So let me pop that down there. As you can see, my little highlighter from Too Faced. I thought that goes really well with this powder pink collection. And of course I have this gorgeous Trendy CC. This was gifted to me. I've done a video, I think I've done an unboxing video on this bag, and I think I've done another video on this bag, I can't remember what. But the reason why I'm really pleased to bring this bag out, because I wanted to share this charm with you. I got this charm from Shein, and isn't she cute? Look at that. There's the love heart, there's like a little cute handbag on there, there's a flower or a couple of flowers. I think there's a shoe somewhere. Ah, there she is, there's the shoe right there in the middle. Is the camera focusing? Yeah, that's better. But you cannot say that this bag is not simply stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. So right over here is a bag that I've not used for a long time. This is my little Ted Baker bag. I do have this bag in black as well, and I also have it in the same colour but in the bigger size over here. I don't know if you can see her up there. So yes, I do have that there. But yeah, she's absolutely gorgeous. She's got the little bow on, and of course this bag goes with this makeup bag, so it's really nice to have that little set if I'm going anywhere for the weekend, and I can just throw that inside this Ted Baker bag. Actually, at the moment, to keep the shape, I do have this other makeup bag inside. This is a makeup bag that was gifted to me. You know what, I wasn't really a fan of it, so I've never really used it. So I might actually pop that in with the giveaway that I'm going to be doing soon for my 1,000 subscribers. So I'll give that bag away and obviously fill it up with some goodies, some makeup and stuff like that. And another bag that I don't really show that often is this gorgeous girl here. She is so unbelievably soft. Excuse the lipstick all over my thumb there. But yeah, this bag is simply, oh, she's simply divine. So let me stand back just a little bit so you can get one final look of my powder pink collection. Obviously, I wasn't planning on doing well, I was planning on doing a video. I always do videos at the weekends, as you know. If you're a follower of my channel, I post twice weekly, and usually at the weekends at the moment, because that's when I have the most spare time. But I really was at a loss as to what to film, because I didn't receive my my makeup island for my beauty room, and I didn't receive my what do you call them, my shelving cubes as well for my handbags. So I was really disappointed, not knowing what to film. And then Thank goodness the lovely bag ladies from YouTube, the bag queens, the queens of the mixy match, have all sort of like been posting videos about this powder pink colour. And I thought, you know what, I've got some powder pink coloured bags, so let me just grab some. In fact, I didn't have enough space. In fact, I'm just looking here, and this lovely Teddy Blake bag could well have appeared in this video also, but not, well, she actually is, as a last minute mention. There you go, Teddy Blake. Fantastic. Okay, I cannot believe that I was just about to completely wrap up this video and I was taking some of the items back, and hence why they've all disappeared from my vanity. And then I noticed this bad boy, absolutely fabulous, this gorgeous DKNY makeup bag, fantastic, with this beautiful princess crown charm. I just think it's so cute, and it's definitely a gorgeous shade of powder pink. So yeah, so now that I've managed to slip this one in, I think we can finally wrap up this video. So yeah, that's basically it for this really quick fire video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, you know exactly what to do. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. But for now, that's all for now.